Hello there, Tiny Tots! Are you ready for some super fun and exciting adventures today? Yay! I can see those big smiles on your faces. Welcome to our amazing number and rings matching game. We have colorful numbers and rings waiting for you. I'm here to be your guide on this thrilling journey of exploration and discovery. Alright, let's take a look at our magical materials. Look closely, toddlers. Can you spot the red number 4? Yes, that's right. Great job! Now, let's find its matching rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! They match. The red number 4 matches with the 4 red rings. You are amazing. Let's connect them. Boom! Next up, we have the yellow number 2. Can you find the number 2? Superb! And now, let's find the rings that go with it. 1, 2! Yes, yes, yes! You did it! The yellow number 2 perfectly matches with the 2 yellow rings. You're on fire! Let's make a line. Perfect! Now, let's make this even more exciting, my little detectives. I'm going to need your help. Are you ready? Awesome! Let's count together. How many orange rings do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! You're brilliant! Now, let's find the orange number 5. Can you spot it? Yes, yes! Fantastic! Now, let's connect the orange number 5 to the 5 orange rings. Great job! You're amazing problem solvers. Oh, my giggly friends, we have a special surprise for you. The pink number 8. Now, let's count the rings together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! What a fantastic counting team you are. Now, let's find the pink number 8. There it is! Yes, perfect! Now, let's connect the pink number 8 to the 8 pink rings. Incredible teamwork! You're superstar learners! Now, let's see if you can remember all the matches we made. I'm going to point at each number, and I want you to shout out the color of the number and the number of rings that match. Ready? Let's go! What number is this?
Yellow number 2.
Great! How about this number?
Pink number 8.
Fantastic! How about this number here?
Red number 4.
Awesome! Now the last number. What number is this?
Orange number 5.
Great job, little problem solvers. You are amazing. You got them all right. I knew you would. You are super duper awesome. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's make this even more enjoyable. I'm going to hold up each ring, and I want you to tell me its color. Can you do that? Of course, you can. Let's give it a try. What is the color of these rings?
Orange.
Great! How about these rings?
Pink.
Fantastic! Now, these rings?
Yellow.
Amazing! The last but not the least. What is the color of these rings?
Red.
Oh, you are incredible! I love how well you know your colors. You're little color experts. Well done, my smart little friends. You have impressed me so much with your amazing skills and boundless energy. Today, we explored numbers, colors, and counting through our fun matching game. I hope you had a blast because I sure did. Keep learning, growing, and having fun with numbers and colors. Until next time, stay curious and keep shining bright. Goodbye, toddlers!